Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cast the screen of your Android smartphone to your Xiaomi TV. First of all, you're gonna have to make sure that both your TV and your Android smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, go to the settings, open network section, and here check which Wi-Fi network has connected status. And make sure that it's the same Wi-Fi network on your smartphone. So swipe down the control center and check the Wi-Fi name that your smartphone is connected to. After that, you're gonna have to enable screencast on your TV. To do that, hold down the home button on your remote control until you see this sidebar, and on the sidebar navigate to display mirroring option. Select yes. And after that, you're gonna have to enable screen mirroring on your smartphone. Swipe down the control center and find cast option. As you can see, in my case, it's right here and it looks like this. Sometimes it also looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi icon in the bottom left corner of it. And if you don't see it right here, you can also edit your control center by either tapping the pencil icon or holding your finger down on the quick settings menu, and then tap the plus icon to add a new tile or a new circle and select the cast option from the list. In my case, it's already added, so I cannot do that. But once you add the cast option, tap on it, and now let your smartphone find the TV. Once it finds it, it will appear on the list. However, not all Android smartphones will be able to use this feature, as not all of them are compatible with your TV. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you how to detect whether or not your smartphone can connect to your TV, because it's strictly individual, and it doesn't really. It depends on the year of release of your smartphone. Definitely, old smartphones will not be able to be mirrored on your TV. But also some new models also cannot do that for reasons I don't really know. So just select your TV on the devices list, and then you're gonna have two options to choose from, either to cast an entire screen or a single app. In my case, the single app isn't available, but if you have single app available, you can tap on a single app option and then select the application that you want to stream. Otherwise, select entire screen and tap cast, and after that the screen of your smartphone will be casted to your Android TV. To stop casting, you either have to use a shortcut if it's available on your smartphone, or you can also swipe down the control center, find the cast icon and tap on it, and this will disable the screen mirroring. And now also make sure that your smartphone and your TV are both updated to the latest version. So on your smartphone, go to System and Update, go to Software Update, and make sure that your device has the latest version. In my case, it actually has an update to install. But if your devices cannot connect to each other, then check updates on both of them and install all the required updates. On your TV, you can find an update available, if it's available, by going to Settings, selecting the Device and Software tile, then going to About section and clicking Check for updates or Install an update. As you can see, my TV is up to date right now, so everything should work well. And everything else, every other problem with casting is most probably just the compatibility issue, as not all Android smartphones are compatible with this TV. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.